So for this effect, we need some paper textured images. Head over to Google and download 3 to 4 textured images. Now import them into the project. For this video, I'm going to be using 3 images. Drag it onto the composition timeline. Move the playhead to 3rd frame and cut it. To cut the clip, press Ctrl-Shift-D on the keyboard and it will split the clip up and put it into different layer. Delete the undesired clip layer. Now do this for each, spacing them 3 frames apart. Now select them all and press Ctrl-D to duplicate. Drag them on top and ahead. Then right-click, go to Transform, and select Flip horizontally. Duplicate again, and this time select Flip vertically. Now select all and duplicate them, and arrange them ahead. Do it as many times as you want. Now select all and pre-compose them. And it's done. Go to Effects and search for the invert effect. Drag it onto the clip to alter the color, changing it from white to black.